Absolute value. Ang absolute value, meron po tayong symbol na pag ganyan. Kaya lang, may certain number such as, example, 2. Therefore, what is the absolute value of 2? The word itself, absolute, it means it's clear. Parang nag-commercial ako, absolute drinking water, it means makikita natin malinis. Right? Therefore, paano po yun? Such an example, letter A. What is the absolute value of negative 2? Therefore, the absolute value of negative 2, it will become positive 2. From negative, magiging positive. Next example, letter B. What is the absolute value of positive 2? It will become negative? No, it will also positive 2. Letter C. What is the absolute value of negative A? Therefore, the absolute value of negative A is equal to positive A. Letter D. What is the absolute value of 3 minus 1? And the answer here is the absolute value of 2. Therefore, the answer here is 2. Mamaya papakita natin kasi magkakaroon tayo ng negative answer dito. Tignan natin kung ano yung magiging final answer niya pag pinasok sa absolute value. Okay, thank you.